Good morning, students. Welcome back to today classes. I hope you all learned yesterday classes, and yesterday class we saw about our country, isn't it? So I asked some questions to you. So which is our country? Is India is our country. In which part and which side it's located in the continent? It is located the south part of the continent of Asia. And which is our continent? So Asia it's called our continent. How many continents are there? So totally 7 continents are there, and India is called the 7th largest and second most populated country in the world level. And do you know what are the 4 direction? East, west, north, south. These are the 4 direction. So in our countries occupies and it covers 4 directions. So like north to south directions, how many kilometer it covers? Do you know? So 3214 kilometer it covers from north to south direction, and east to west side it covers 2993 kilometer from east to west directions. So today class I am going to explain about the physical divisions of India. The physical divisions means our landform only it's called physical divisions. And in Indian country we can't see the same landform in all the places. It's differ from one place to another places. So what are the categories of landforms present in our country? So mountain and plateau, desert, rivers and island. So these are the different categories of physical divisions are located in our Indian country. And in our country we can see the variety of landforms, and basically 6 divisions of physical divisions are present in our Indian country. So do you know what are the 6 divisions of physical categories? The first one, northern mountains. Second one, the Great Indian Desert. And third one, coastal plains. And next one, the fourth one is called the northern plains. And fifth one it's called peninsula, and last one it's called island. So these are the different landform and different physical categories present in our Indian country. And first we can't see all these places directly. Maybe we can see one place at a time. We can't see all the places. So how we can see the places? So we can see these places. We can see all these places through the map. So the map will help us. To learn about these places. So the map will give the clear information and clear idea about this landform. And in our Indian physical map, we can see the brown color portion. The brown color portions it is indicate and it gives detailed information about the mountains. And mainly the mountains are located the northern side of in our Indian country. And one of famous mountain and highest mountain range, it's called Himalayan mountain. It is called the highest mountain in the world level. And the mountain areas we can see so many rivers, and so many rivers also started from mountain regions. And the next one it's called the Great Indian Desert. In our country the desert also it's located, and one of the famous desert it's called the Thar Desert, THAR, Thar Desert. And the desert place we can see sand only. The desert area fully covered with the sand, and it's called dry place also because there is no water and food also not available in the desert areas. And the rainfall also in the places does not receive the more rainfall. The rainfall little rainfall only receives in the desert places. And next one it's called the coastal plains. Coastal plains means near the sea areas, it's called near the sea areas. We can see this plains, so it is called the coastal plains. The coastal meaning of coastal it's called sea areas. So sea areas it's called coastal places. And northern plains, so plains, so what is the meaning of plains? So the plains means, so this is a one category of landform. So this landform will help us to cultivate so many crops, and we can do the agriculture work, agriculture field. So this place is called agriculture field, and it is used for agriculture purpose, and mainly most of the plains part is located in the northern side of India. And peninsular means it look like a triangular in shape, and it's surrounded by water. So three sides are triangular. So how many sides in the triangular? So totally 3 sides are there in a triangular. The peninsula also look like a triangular in shape, so it is surrounded by water. And next one is called the island. So India has a different island group in all the side. So like Andaman and Nicobar Island also located in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Island also located the Arabian Sea. So many islands are also located in our country. So dear students, learn this physical divisions today. So next class we will see another topic. Thank you.